Welcome back to my 3D printing workshop. 2 weeks ago, I started a video said I want to print a tracer, and that video showed me how to prepare the files in the software in the orientation and prepare the support material. And now the print, after more than 4 days of printing, actually it's less than that, but in between got some story, fail print and Notre Dame. Of course, this kind of thing I already get used to it because I'm using the raw, like years ago, outdated raw material that come from China. I'm always want to spend them all because no one will use it anymore, and I'm not going to use it to my customer print. So I have no choice to deal with that issue. And after some tune of sand setting, finally the whole print is come out. Yeah, this is the one. Ta-da! Okay, this is tracer. Actually, it's not done yet. This is still 80%. There are one more effect move around it. It's quite a large print. I think this should take more days, but I can't hold to share this model with you. If you follow my Instagram and Facebook, of course you will see this earlier weeks ago. And today add one more base. And this base actually is 4 pieces now. I will add some filler to fill the gap in later. The reason it come out like this because of Notre Dame also. So don't buy some low cost material if you just make your pain in the ass. And you might see this is not the only print I have. I got some fail print here also. This looks good. This looks okay. But if you look deeper, there's Notre Dame. They are gone. But actually I can cut out just for fit this part and glue it back together with seamless. But I decided to get another set because I can use this as a test demo or reference something when I'm doing some painting on it. Of course I'm bad in painting. I'm still consider should I paint this or not. But it's okay. Why don't we just leave it there? Learn something, get out for your comfort zone, go for my comfort zone. Well, in between prepare and after print, got a lot of fail print. Of course, that one I'm too rushing on work, so I'm not really documented. But remove support part, I did document. If you're interested, you can look. After minutes, you will see all the remote support thing time lapse. If you want to see something print out or you've got any 3D printing question, you can ask me in the comment below, and subscribe my channel and you can ask more questions in the future. What I'm talking about, let's go to time lapse.